Tutu TV.
Hello kids, let's learn alphabet. Let's find this alphabet. Where is A? Let's find A. A. A for aeroplane. Now B. B. B for basket. Where is C? C. C for cat. C. C for cat. Now D. Where is D? D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. Now where is F? Yeah. F. F for fish. A for aeroplane. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. Now where is G? G. G for grapes. H. H. H for hen. I. I for ice cream. J. 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 J for jug. Now K. K for kite. Where is L? L. L. L for lion. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. Now find M. Where is M? M. M. M for monkey. Now N. N for nest. Then O. O for orange. Then P. P for peacock. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. Let's find S. This is S. S. S for snake. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for Xmas tree. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. And Z. Z for zebra.
Chotu Votu TV. Please like, share and subscribe.